Let's do cartoons, and today we're opening... Wait, I'm gonna get it. Littlest Petshop, and it's Regina and Vogel. It's so cute. I wonder what's in there. Oh my. Here is Regina Vogel. She's so cute, and she's pink. Can you believe it? A pink little special. Lyra, please don't get too close. Oh, sorry. And here is she. Cute. Let's set up it. Ooh, cute step. Oh, wow. Looks like a door to another way. Password, please. Door the other way. Correct. Yay! It's a trick. Look at the stairs here and this thing. And we got this cardboard that has two things. One's the soccer field and one's the baseball court. Baseball with basketball court. Just stick it up at the back. And it's here. And we have some stickers. Wait, where did the Littlest Petshop sticker go? Oh, there you are. Let me get you out. Here it is. And I'm going to stick it up here because it has a Littlest Petshop sign too. I'm sure it's going to match. So stick it up here to have some color. Perfect fit. Ta-ta! Now, I want to put this cute heart on our little pet. Right here. She's so cute. And one day she can turn around her head backwards. And forward. And her buddy too. See? Turn it around. Alright, it's a relief. For what? A relief, I tell you. Get some of these flowers. There's a blue flower, and I want to decorate it down here. And a pink one. See? You know you can decorate the scene too, but I'm not sure if the soccer thingy, snowball, could do it. See? It's so funny. I should have put the soccer ball here. Wow. Amazing. I took it out. See? It's so relief. Let's poke it to the other side. There. Boop, boop, boop. Yes, the baseball. Oh, I mean the basketball court. Of course, there's this basketball thingy. Ooh, I could just decorate the soccer ball down here on the floor. Put it here. And the basketball, of course. Should be on the floor right on this side here. What about this rocket? Interesting. You're about to say that. Maybe a good... Ooh! There's something at the back you can decorate. I'm gonna get this ball. Wait, I have an idea.